Hey guys, so today I've got an unboxing video of my brother's new iPhone 8. This is the 256GB model in space gray, and he let me film the unboxing of it. Now, the box has actually been already opened in the store to see whether the phone turns on, but apart from that, everything else is still intact. So let's take a look around the box. You do have a picture of the back of the phone on the front. On the sides, it says iPhone. On the bottom and the top, you can see the Apple logo, and on the back you do have the usual capacity, what's inside the box, requirements to operate the phone, serial number, and all that. So let's slide the top off, and the first thing we see is this sleeve that says designed by Apple in California. Right inside you do have the welcome to iPhone leaflets in Malay and English, the SIM ejection tool, and the iPhone user guide again in Malay and English, and lastly a couple of Apple stickers. Next up, we do have the phone itself. Put that aside. The charger, the earpods with the lightning to auxiliary jack extension, and lastly the lightning cable itself. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my brother's new iPhone 8 256GB in space gray. Thanks for watching and goodbye.